Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you edit a photo like this to this. This is called black tone effect. So guys, stay tuned with the video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. Let's get started. So guys, now take a photo that you want to edit. I will take that photo. Then go to the light section. Adjust the exposure to 0.50. Then adjust the contrast to 60. Then adjust the highlights to 20. Then go to shadows and adjust it to -10. Then go to whites and adjust it to -100. Then go to blacks and adjust it to 40. Then go to the color section. Take the vibrance to -25. Then take the saturation to -30. Okay, now go to the mix option. Red, take the saturation to +16. Then take the luminance to -10. Then go to orange, take the hue to -10. Take the saturation to +10 and take the luminance. No, don't do that. Then go to yellow, take the hue to -100. Then take the saturation also -100. Then go to green, take the saturation to -100. Then go to the aqua color, take the hue to +100 and take the saturation to -100. Then go to blue, take the saturation to -100 and same as purple and pink. Now press done. Now go again the light section. Now you have to follow my step and set the curve like that. Okay, now press done. Then go to effect option. Take the texture to +10. Then take the clarity to 20. Then go to midpoint and take it to 15. No, don't go to midpoint. Then directly go to split tone and set the highlights hue to 210 and the saturation to +5. Okay, now go to shadows and set the hue to 220, set the head to 220 and set the saturation to +10. Now press done. Then go to the detail option and increase the noise reduction to 20. That's it. Now what I'm gonna do, just take the before, look the before and see the after. Now I'm gonna copy the settings and paste it to another photos. Just look at that is look pretty cool and awesome. So guys, that is it for today guys. If you see that full video, then please obviously like that video, comment below and share that video to your friends and family, and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell notification icon to never miss any updates. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye.